Alright, so this is a video on how to solve with plurality with elimination method. And with plurality with elimination, we're looking for a majority. So in order to find a majority, we already know this, we got to add up the total number of votes, then divide by 2, and then go up to the next whole number. So we would first add all these numbers, find out how many total votes are. So 14, 24, 36, 37. So there's 37 votes. So majority is I take that and divide it by 2. That gives me 18.5. So we go up to 19. So the first thing is we calculate the value to be called a majority. The majority would be 19 votes. So 19 votes would give us the majority. Again, I'm taking the total number of votes, divided by 2, and go up to the next whole number. All right, and now there's an elimination step. And so I'm going to ask myself these questions every time. Is there a majority? If there's a majority, then we're done. If there's not a majority, then we are going to decide who is eliminated. The who is eliminated is the one with the least number of first place votes. So we need to find the person with the least number of first place votes. So right now, A has 14, C has 11, right? 1 plus 10, 11. D has 8, B has 4. So the least number of first place votes would go to B. And so these 4 votes for B is the least number. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to eliminate them from this chart. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to rewrite the chart. Alright, so I'm going to rewrite the chart. When I'm rewriting the chart, I'm going to write everything the same. It's going to be 14, 10, 8, 4, 1. And then I'm going to rewrite everything else except for I'm going to eliminate everything that has a B in it. So I'm going to rewrite this chart without the letter B. So plurality with elimination means that I'm going to eliminate the candidate that had the least number of first place votes and then look at it again. So this would be A, C, D. Notice I've eliminated B. C, D, A, D, C, A, D, C, A, C, D, A. All right, so I have eliminated B. You write the chart, eliminate B. Alright, so I've rewritten the chart without B in it. And now I need to decide, does anyone have 19 first place votes? If they do, we're done. And if not, we'll have to do the step again. So let's see. A has 14, so A has 14 first place votes. C still has 11, these 10 and that 1. So C has 11 first place votes, and D has 8 plus 4, D has 12 first place votes. So I ask myself, is there a majority? Well, a majority is 19 votes, right? The majority would be 19 votes. No one has 19 votes, So if not, who is eliminated? Remember, we're eliminating the person with the least amount of first place votes. Well, the least amount of first place votes here seems to be C. So I'm going to eliminate C, and that means write the new preference table. So I'm going to rewrite this new preference table, and this time I'm going to eliminate C. This preference table I'll write right here. It's going to be real easy. All right, we got 14, 10, 8, 4, and 1. And here we have A, D, and then the rest are going to be D, A, D, A, D, A, D, A. So A, B, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A. All right, is there a majority? There was not. We eliminated C, right? If not, who's eliminated? We eliminated C because they had 11 first place votes and 14 and 12 were higher. We wrote a new preference table. Here it is. And so now we're going to count these. So A has 14 first place votes. So A has 14 first place votes. And B has 10, 18, 22, 23. D has 23 first place votes. And 23 has surpassed 19, so if you had 19 or more votes, they would be the winner. So D would be the winner by plurality with elimination. So plurality with elimination is another method we have to find out the winner of a preference ballot election.